According to a study, men decide whether or not they're romantically interested in someone in seconds, and the neurochemical reaction connected with sentiments of love takes only 1/5 of a second to fire. Although there may be a strong appeal, at first sight, passionate love for someone necessitates a thorough understanding of who they are and the entirety of their personality. Men take only 88 days to say the love word to their significant other, while women take nearly twice as long, 132 days. 1. The initial spark. After all, love is difficult to quantify and monitor. It's between a physiological reaction, a social construct, and an unfathomable sacred object, such as a portion of faith or poetry. The specific brain networks involved with intense love can activate within a tiny fraction of a second of people meeting, according to studies. That isn't the same as being in love, but it is an important first step. 2. As long as you're both at ease with each other. Some may argue that the first few sessions are nothing but pure lust. They discover that the actual sense of being in love comes after months of dating and getting to know one another. Is it possible to fall in love quickly? Sure. However, for those looking for a meaningful relationship, the procedure takes a little longer. 3. When you first move in together. To guys who need to share their daily routine with someone, how long it takes to fall in love with someone on average means nothing. Nothing is guaranteed for them until you start living together. 4. When it's no longer just an infatuation. The question of how long it takes to like someone may be easier to answer than the question of how long it takes to fall in love. And besides, it's easy to have a crush on someone, but you might only be able to say you're in love with them if your crush grows into something more serious. 5. When all of the barriers have been broken down. Everybody has their own responsibilities and wounds from the past. Even when dating, it's fairly uncommon for men to create walls around themselves and put up a facade since it's easier and safer. Building barriers is a frequent survival technique since it allows a man to examine their alternatives without the risk of being seriously damaged. It is also impossible to genuinely experience love without honesty and a complete lack of pretenses. This is why some guys believe that you can only truly fall in love once all the barriers have been removed and both people feel safe in each other's arms.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.